the moment. Today it's going to be about Monster High. And I'm only going to use 2. But Laguna Blue is not going to be here, because I don't have to go with her yet, but I'm getting it tomorrow. I'm only going to use 1. Her name is Toralei. Hi guys, you clearly see my name. Toralei. Ain't I beautiful? Who should think I'm the best Monster High girl in the world? And I even made the stop. Stop. Don't talk to me. Losers where you must wanna be like, please. Get over here, you ugly. Hey guys, I'm here. Get over here, you ugly. God, just because we're on camera, it doesn't have to be so mean like always. I'm never mean to you. You're always mean to me. That's true. It's never true. I'm actually a nice girl. My name's Laguna Blue. My name is Toralei, and I'm the best Monster High ever. Yeah, I told you she's being rude. She's always rude. Same with. And if you don't like me, you're dead. I told you she's rude. Isn't she not? Bye. Hey.